In this video, we will discuss the importance of setting up your eBay business policies when using Sku Lister as your listing tool of choice. eBay requires people who use listing tools to sign up for and use eBay business policies. In Sku Lister, we call them seller profiles. We are discussing this in this video because although eBay may let you list without using them, eventually they will start throwing you errors and prevent you from listing without business policies. So it may be better to go ahead and set them up if you haven't already. Once you are logged into your eBay account, in the top left corner, you will see your name. When you put your mouse over that, go to Account Settings. On the Account tab, click on Business Policies. If you are not already opted into Business Policies, you would be prompted to opt in. Once you are opted in, you will be able to create or edit your payment, shipping, and return policies that you will use on your listing. Try to think of the different types of policies that you may need. As an example, you may want policies that have 3-day handling or 5-day handling, etc. If you need to set up shipping exclusions or global shipping, you would also do that within those policies. Be sure to name the policies in a way that makes sense to you and is easy to identify. If you require additional help setting up your business policies, you can contact eBay directly for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.